Outdoors.
Now get this man out of here.
You wanna come in outside and chill with me? Like good old times? What you finna do? It's a soccer ball right here. Keep it in the grass. Watch the street. Look left and right. Go in front of the truck. to the camera.
Hi, welcome to the race car tag. The cars try to chase me
You gotta duck your head down a little bit.
for a lot of
You gotta squat. Come here and squat. Yep.
And it was kind of hard. The truck was fast, so I did faster. I tried to. It was hard. Also, this little ball blocked him, and so matter what. And welcome to the race car tag game, and welcome back.
You gotta get charged. Yeah, I could tell when you charge this, and it actually charges all the way. It could go far. I was all the way over here, and you was all the way over there.
Yeah.
I wish I had a camera to see. I'm gonna see if they have an app, so I can at least look at it on the app, so I can see where I'm going.
I wish you could do it on my phone so I could watch it all the time.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube. You know that, right?
Yeah, but I want to do it on my phone so I just could go on grandma and just watch it.
You wanna play with it?
What's the camera?
You wanna keep the camera on there? 30 minutes on here on your phone.
Welcome to outdoors. There's a huge big tree, and we gotta be careful for the cars, stuff. But I go protect you, okay? Nobody won't let you run over or crash, okay? All right. Be safe.
See my face? That's the angle it needs to be at. Hey everybody, he wanted me to say something to y'all. I don't know what he did with this truck, where he's been going, but I hope you all are enjoying the ride. I'll play some music in the background for y'all in case it gets boring. Get this truck out my face, Malik. Get this truck out my face. Subscribe. It was great.